Vice President Dr. Kempo Dugwish Campbell Mohadi is a veteran Zimbabwean politician and the current Vice President of Zimbabwe as of 8 September 2023. Zana pina mashoko ari kuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa VP Kempo Mohadi panguva ine vachiwana a doctorate vanozobuda pachena kuti mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe wanozondabdzo Mnangagwa aiwa vari kukurudzira Kempo Mohadi uchionekwa kunzi mumwe deputy wemutungamiri wenyika VP Constantino Chiwenga achiramba ari reduced munyika. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timira pahedo Snowball anobuda nyora achiti over the years he has held several key government roles including Minister of Home Affairs from 2002 to 2015, Minister of State for National Security from 2015 to 2017, and the Minister of Defense, Security and All Veterans briefly in 2017. Born on 15 November 1949 in Bedford, Dr. Mohadi has been a long-standing member of the ruling ZANU-PF party. His political career spans decades, and he is known for his involvement in Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. He was even imprisoned in 1975 for distributing arms during the Rhodesian era. VP Mohadi joined the liberation movements in the 1970s, aligning with the armed struggle against colonial Rhodesian rule. He was actively involved in the underground operations of the Zimbabwe African People's Union ZAPU, which was one of the two major liberation movements at the time. In a powerful chapter on his life, Mohadi was detained at the Kami prisons near Bulawayo during the Liberation War. He was imprisoned alongside other prominent nationalists, including the now President of Zimbabwe, His Excellency Mnangagwa. During a 2025 visit to Kami prison, Dr. Mohadi reflected on the harsh conditions and the sacrifices made by the detainees, describing it as a painful chapter in his fight for freedom. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda panguva ino vanhu vachiremember aiwa Mohadi panguva ino like yesterday vanhu panomuona aiwa achigraduata vamwe vachipinda tora mashoko achiti that is a fake doctorate angoripiwa hapana kudzidza kwakamboita zvinoitika panguva inepo anyatsoonekwa kunzi the vice president anyatsoonekwa kunzi is struggling aiwa neutano kwambobuda maletters mamwe akasiri verified but marumors achiti aiwa the vice president utano hwavo was deteriorating and vakatombokumbira kuti vatomboresigna but kunoonekwa kunzi is still in power but zvinatsoratidza kuti zvinenge zviri kuti netsei. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna kuvenza kuchembera mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.